You upload a video on YouTube and it casually brings up thousands of views. Feels great, but let's talk business. How much do those views really translate into dollars and cents? You might have heard about YouTubers earning big, but what does that mean for the average Joe or Jane? Are we talking about a nice dinner out, or are these numbers enough to ditch your daily job? Now, here's the scoop on YouTube monetization. It's not about just uploading and kicking back. There's a method to this money-making madness. You've got to be in the YouTube Partner Program, but it's no free pass. The entry fee? A cool 1,000 subscribers and a whopping 4,000 hours of watch time. It's like the ultimate YouTube marathon, and crossing this finish line opens the doors to ad revenue sharing. So, you've hit those magic numbers. Ads are rolling in and views are climbing. But how thick will your wallet get for every 1,000 eyes that see your video? Well, here's where it gets juicy. On average, the money you make could be anywhere from a modest $1 to a decent $10 per 1,000 views. Not too bad, huh? But there's more to this story. The RPM. Think of it as the driving force of your channel's earning potential. Now, hold up, let's decode this RPM mystery. RPM stands for revenue per mil, meaning revenue per 1,000 views. But don't mix it up with CPM. That's cost per mil, the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views. CPM is what the advertisers shell out, but RPM, that's what you, the creator, actually pockets. And guess what? They're rarely the same. Because before you get your cut, YouTube takes its share, a solid 45%. Yup, almost half of the ad revenue. So if advertisers pay $10 CPM, you get more like $5 or $6 after that cut. Now, the ad game on YouTube is a whole mixed bag. Skippable, non-skippable, bumper, overlay, and whatnot. Skippable ads, the ones viewers can skip after 5 seconds, only pay up if they watch 30 seconds or engage with the ad. Non-skippable ads, these are the relentless ones you can't skip. But guess what? They pay for every view. Bumper ads are those quick 6-second unskippable bursts. Short but sweet in the revenue game. And the overlay ads, popping up at the bottom, small, yet they add a sprinkle of extra cash. This ad mix is crucial because different videos attract different types of ads. A deep dive tech review might magnetize high-paying non-skippable ads, while a quick comedy sketch could draw in more skippables. And that's why two videos with identical views can pull in wildly different earnings. Now, if you're playing in the big leagues of digital marketing, personal finance, or tech talk, you're in for a treat. These niches are like hitting the jackpot on YouTube, potentially bringing in $15, $20, and even $30 per 1,000 views. And I'm talking about the RPM, your share. That's serious money, right? But why do these niches have advertisers throwing money like confetti? Let's take a closer look. In digital marketing, for example, the audience is full of professionals and entrepreneurs looking to invest in their businesses. Well, most of the times. They're a prime target for high-ticket services and software tools, which simply means advertisers in this space are willing to pay top dollar to access these viewers of yours. Personal finance is another goldmine. Videos in this niche attract viewers who are financially savvy or looking to be, which make them ideal for banks, investment firms, and luxury brands, etc. Higher income or investment-focused audiences intelligibly means more bread for advertisers and, in turn, for you. But what if you're not in these hotshot niches? Say you're more about gaming, cooking up a storm, or sharing your daily adventures. These areas might not be the RPM kings, but they've got their own secret weapon: sheer volume. A lower RPM may be around $2 to $4, but with the right content and a dash of charisma, you're looking at view counts that could fill a stadium. And that, my friends, adds up to a pretty handsome payday. Now that we've got a hold on the what and the how much, let's find the why. Why do some channels earn more, and what can you do to get a piece of that YouTube pie? First up, let's talk about video length. Imagine two channels, both in the tech review niche, but with a twist in their content strategy. Channel A keeps it short and sweet with videos under 8 minutes. Channel B goes for the long haul, with videos often crossing the 10-minute mark. Here's where it gets interesting. YouTube allows channels to add mid-roll ads in videos longer than 8 minutes. So, while Channel A can only place one ad at the beginning, Channel B can sprinkle multiple ads throughout their video. More ads, more cash. Simple math, right? Hold on a second, let's not forget the MVP of the YouTube game: viewer engagement and retention. Think of your video as a party. You've got the snacks, your content, the music, your personality, but what really makes the party a hit? The guests sticking around. Watch time, likes, comments, these are your party animals, making YouTube's algorithm groove. The longer viewers hang in your video, the more YouTube thinks of it as the hottest party. And bam! Your video starts popping up all over the place. More recommendations, more views, and you guessed it, more ad dollars. Take the Unbox Therapy channel, for example. Their engaging and in-depth unboxing videos keep viewers hooked till the last second. That means more eyes on ads and more revenue rolling in. And if viewers don't stay for long on your videos, those ads never existed. The lesson? Content is the king, queen, and the entire royal court of YouTube. Keep your content top-notch, and the viewers and their views will follow. Now, let's shift gears to another factor. Location, location, location. It's not just a real estate mantra, it's a YouTube earning strategy too. You've got a channel, right? If most of your audience is tuning in from places like the US, Canada, or Western Europe, you're sitting on a gold mine. Advertisers in these regions don't mind spending more to flash their ads to your audience. It's simple. They see big spenders, they pay big bucks. And it's not all about the country. Even within the US or the UK, you'll see a shift. Someone watching your videos in, let's say, San Francisco or London could be a bigger win for your wallet than someone in a smaller town. They look for the spending power of your audience, which brings out another RPM factor: the age of your audience. Let's say you run a gaming channel with the majority of American teenagers tuning in. They are super enthusiastic, but their wallets, not so much. Advertisers know this, and it might reflect on your RPM. Targeting a demographic with more spending power could mean higher ad rates and more cash for your channel. The audience's age, interests, and buying power are key pieces in this puzzle. So, when you're analyzing your channel, don't only think about where your videos are getting watched, but who's watching them as well. Are they young tech enthusiasts, busy parents, college students? Each demographic unlocks different doors to advertisers. Now, video lengths, those ever-important ad types, audience demographics, this isn't getting any simpler, is it? That's because YouTube's payment world is like a complex, ever-changing ecosystem. Think of it this way: every piece of content you create is more than just potential cash. It's your unique stamp, your personal flavor in the vast YouTube buffet. Whether it's a tutorial, vlog, or game stream, each video has the potential to earn big if you play your cards right. So, basically, it's not just about hitting those high numbers. It's actually about cooking up a strategy that hits the sweet spot with your audience while staying true to your creative spice. Getting into RPMs and the forces behind them, picking apart different content types, and understanding that complex tango between creators, viewers, and advertisers, it's all part of a bigger, bolder picture. Now, let's rethink the big question. How much does YouTube pay you for 1,000 views? Nope, we're flipping the script. It's how can you, yes, you, get creative and amp up what YouTube pays you for those views.